Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to check Google Forms you filled out and submitted. This is incredibly useful when you need to review your previous submissions or verify what information you've already provided through a form. First, open your web browser and navigate to forms.google.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in using your Google account credentials. Make sure you're signing in with the same account you used when you originally filled out and submitted the forms you want to check. This step is crucial because your form responses are tied directly to your Google account. After logging in successfully, you'll land on your Google Forms dashboard. This is your central hub where all your form activity is stored. Now look for the section labeled Recent Forms. This area displays the forms you've recently interacted with, making it easy to locate what you're looking for without having to search through everything. Click on the specific form you want to check. This will open up that particular form and give you access to all its settings and data. Once the form opens, direct your attention to the top toolbar. Here you'll find several options for managing and viewing the form. Click on Responses. This tab is where all the magic happens. It's the gateway to seeing who has filled out your form and what they submitted. The Responses section is designed to give you comprehensive insights into all the data collected through this form. When you click on Responses, you'll automatically be taken to the Summary view. Click on Summary if it's not already selected. In this view, you'll see visual representations of the data, including graphs that display responder statistics and an overview of all the responses collected. This summary provides you with a quick snapshot of how many people have responded and the general trends in their answers. It's perfect for getting an at-a-glance understanding of your form's performance and the data you've gathered. Beyond the summary view, you have additional options to explore the responses in more detail. You can click on questions to see the data organized by each individual question in your form. This view breaks down responses question by question, making it easier to analyze specific aspects of your form. Additionally, there's an individual tab that allows you to view each person's complete submission separately. This is particularly helpful when you need to review specific responses or track down particular information submitted by individual users. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to navigate your Google Forms dashboard and check the forms you've filled out and submitted, giving you complete control over your form data. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.